You want to predict failures. You want to predict where. For which use cases? Failure prediction of industrial robots, breaks wear prediction, defect prediction of electronic equipment, crack detection of pipes, or any other use cases in the energy, transport and manufacturing sectors. But the biggest struggle still remains the same today. How can you predict your equipment failures without historical failure data? Resulting from years of research at the French National Research Centre CNRS, only DiagFit answers these questions. Amiral Technologies introduces DiagFit, its flagship blind failure detection software. DiagFit allows you to predict failures without needing historical failure data and gives you all the indications needed to find the origins of the failures. This software brings major advances. In run mode, for each failure alert, the failure signature is analysed to propose a list of causes with the degree of likelihood. The new feedback function allows you to confirm, reject, or modify the label of the alerts. The new dictionary of failures causes is enriched over time to match your proper operating environment conditions. DiagFit can be deployed either in the cloud, on edge, or can be embedded in your equipment. DiagFit works either standalone or can be integrated into your platform using REST APIs and MQTT protocol. Do you want to experience DiagFit? Contact us at contact@amiraltechnologies.com.